Hey, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how I made these. Almost dropped my phone. Okay. Oh, it's warm in here. So today my plan is to make some shallow kind of dishes, not bowls, but they're like a little shallow tray. I want to carve them out, possibly maybe one long one, maybe one round one, I'm not sure yet, we'll just go with it. I'm doing these because I've got a demo, spoon making demo in Axminster, the Cardiff Store, which I'm excited about. That's going to be on the 8th of June, so I want to get these done before the weekend. And I just thought I'd make a video and bring you along with me. Majority of it carved out now. I've got all the tooling marks, so obviously you can still see where the material is taken, but there's no roughness, it's really smooth. So when I put the finish on, I think it's going to look nice. So the next step is to take off the sharp edges. have any oak material that is wider than this, but I wanted to do a dish that was wider and maybe not as oval, like a full circle. So either I use a different material, which I don't really want to do, but if I do have time I will do that today. But instead I also want to get a sign done with my logo. So this is just a template which I will stick onto the wood, and then I'll use the router to route my sign out. Some stick and stay for the template. I didn't get a chance to make the second dish yesterday, but I freed up some time to go get some wood from Axminster, so hopefully I can get a second dish done, because I really would like to do that. And I also needed some extra wood anyway, so it made sense to try and squeeze it all in. I've got some lime and some sycamore, so looking forward to using some of that. Let's go to the workshop. This is where I left off, so I'm gonna now route out this one. both signs have had the first coat of poly on them. While those are drying, I'm going to see if I can make another dish. I'm going to be making that out of lime. The dish is finished, obviously without the finish on it. So I haven't got any oil in the workshop because I left it at home because I'm stupid. So I'm going to use the next best thing, which I've got. As in, it's not the next best thing, but it's the next best thing that I've got in the workshop. Oh my god, that was special. It's getting late in the day, guys. Anyway, wax going on. I would have preferred oil, but gotta go with what you got, right? And this will do a good job anyway. And this is not for it doesn't have to be like food safe because it's not for snacks or anything like that. So you don't need to worry about poisoning anyone. There we go. That's what it looks like. I'll leave that dry and then come back with the second coat. I'll buff in between.